Hey, what's up, guys? How are you doing today? Yeah, in this video, we're going to be discussing about how you can sell on Gigi. Yeah, you can sell many products on Gigi, and it's free, and they also have a paid package as well. But I'll just advise you, maybe if you are selling different type of products or goods, definitely you should go for the paid ones because they will push your ads to the top level on the market or on the category, in which if anyone go through the category, definitely your product will be the first product they will see, and definitely they are going to buy from you. Maybe you don't have an idea on how you can start selling or how to post an ad on Gigi. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can start posting and making sales or getting sales on Gigi. So right now, let's get started. Okay, so yeah, I'm on jiji.ng now. You can see the website, and of course, you can scroll up to many categories they have on their website, as well as you can use the mobile app too. But I'll just um, prefer to use my PC. So there are a lot of categories, just depend on what you are selling. So maybe you are selling a used phone or a brand new one. So definitely there is a category for your products, as well as sportswear, fashion, health, beauty, home furniture and appliances, electronics, and all other stuff, as well as property as well. So it depends on what you are trying to sell. You can see all the art here they have people post on the website. So let's now say, for instance, maybe you don't have an account on Gigi before, so you want to set up a new or a fresh account. So this is my mail here. I'll just continue with this email, but you can see here sell, register and sign up. So because I have an account already, so definitely I'll just proceed with my existing account. So here they say got something to sell, post an advert for free. So you just click on here, click on the plus sign here, then choose the category that best describe your product or your service that you want to sell. So let me choose on choose some examples so that you'll be able to understand what I'm explaining to you. So okay, let me choose mobile and tablets, smartwatch, mobile phone. Okay, and of course I have some ads here that I've already published. So let me just try and get something. Okay, let me try and get some pictures. Instagram. Okay, Android. Okay, let me find Xiaomi. Mm, Note 8. I'm just trying to find what type of phone that I should upload. Okay, let me do this. If you have your products with you, so definitely you can just snap it then upload. So I'm just using this as an example so that you'll be able to understand what I'm trying to explain to you. So let me just use one if it should be accept. Okay, download. Okay, so here is the picture of the phone that I want to post on. Okay, I'll click on the next here. Otherwise you continue to okay. Let me find another one. Oh, it's eight.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Oh shit. I can't find another one. It's eight dog. Okay. I think this is one. Okay, let me use it off. No, let me put this one. Let me just use the same pictures. Let me use the same picture. Let's see if it will be accepted or not. Okay. It said I have already uploaded the picture already, so let's try and find note 8. I think this is note 8. Okay, okay. Let me download that one. Okay, so then click on next, then choose the brand Xiaomi. Okay, model note 8. So it's Pro. Condition brand name, no fault. One 6 gig RAM, 128.6. Okay, okay. And this is perfect this way. So then just put the description of the phone there, like brown Xiaomi Note, sorry, Note 8 Pro available for sale. Then you input your price here. Slightly negotiable. Input then you can see here, this is what I want you to understand. If you know that you have many products that you want to sell, or the product that you are trying to sell is kind of like high of value, like maybe the range of maybe 50k upward, like that. So I just advise you to just choose the top offer like this. So with this method, they are going to promote your ads at the top level on your category. So definitely you will be able to make sales as soon as possible than using the standard ad to promote or to post your ad. So I'll just hit the post ad now because I'm not posting anything that I really want to see faster. So I just click on post ad. Okay, condition no fault. Sorry. Okay. Um, I don't know, but I've actually used this number before, so I don't know. But definitely, once you click on the post ad, so your ad will definitely get posted directly, and they will definitely review the ads maybe 2 to 3 hours before your ads can be available on the GG marketplace. So that is everything you need to know about GG. There is no any hidden charge, or maybe if you don't click on all these ones, maybe they will charge you for posting an ad. That's not true. The GG is free, but if you want to promote your ads, to top level. So definitely you can click on any one of these and you'll be able to get sales as soon as possible. So I think that's everything I need to explain about Gigi. So nothing. There's nothing special about Gigi. There's nothing special about Gigi. So and just start making sales from there. Once you make use of the ads, I mean you pay for extra charge for ads promotion. So definitely you don't need to be telling people that you want to sell something, you want to sell something on Gigi. The marketplace will definitely promote your ads by themselves without any stress. So that's that. Thank you for watching.